And then for the red and green peppers, you know, it's just a real basic, you know, it's not true, you know, real true to life because it's so small. If you're going to do a bigger shish kebab, I might put more detail into it. But for something this small, you get the idea. Just a green piece of fondant and then just kind of roll it to elongate it. It's almost like like a pill or something. And then just kind of flatten it. Because usually we kind of cut them in slices. So we'll just kind of put that down. Do the same thing here. And now we just use our toothpick. And I usually start with a piece of chicken. And then we'll go ahead and put the red pepper down here. You can kind of curl it a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and put our pineapple in. And we'll do our green pepper. And then another piece of chicken. And don't have them all going in the same direction. See, I have one more this way, one this way. It just adds a little more to it. I think I'll go ahead and add another red pepper since I have more room on this kebab than the one I made earlier. This one I made earlier, it's because I have more or larger piece of chicken on there. Oops. That one more time. Place it over the top. And it's sticking to my finger, so what I do is just touch the cornstarch and then go ahead and pop that back on. And I can move things down a bit so it's in the center. Okay, now this one is the chicken's a little bit darker, so I could just go ahead and put a little bit more. I guess that one's just been cooking a little longer. I'll just put a touch more in here because you couldn't see the cocoa powder on there. Now I went ahead and did the grill marks on that also. So take the same toothpick that you used earlier, put a little bit more of the brown gel color on there. And so if it was sitting on the grill, it'd be like one maybe here, here, kind of. Okay. Yes, kabobs. Okay, so we got a couple of kabobs to go in there. Now, we should probably have some corn because you need your veggies. So we use the same yellow. This yellow that I used earlier is actually a little light. And maybe this could even go darker, but this is what I have right here. So you could go a little darker if you wanted.